Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Decora outfit and dress and press without VIP. Okay guys, this is for the outfit, and to make the tutorial faster, I'm going to immediately show you the items you need to choose to create this outfit. Okay, and start from the hairstyle guys. You can choose this one, and then you're going to color it with this color. Okay, you can combine it with this pink color. I'm using this one guys to create the first color, this one. Okay, and then combine it with this hairstyle. You're going to make it this color, and then this one as well, make it pink, and just make it pink for all this selection. And this one, you're going to make it this color, the light green color. And then for this top, you're going to choose it from the cards item, and then you're going to make it this color, this pink color. And then this one guys, this one, you're going to apply this color, just apply white color. And then for the texture, you're going to make it rainbow glitter. Okay, and the sunglasses, just leave it like that. And then this is from the codes item, just leave it like that for the back, but you're going to choose crossbody. Okay, for this one guys. And then you're going to put on this item, choose shirt only, and then you're going to make it this color. Okay, and then you're going to make it glitter. All right, and then you're going to choose this cat ear. You're going to make it this color and then make it glitter. Okay, and then this necklace, you're going to make it white, combine white and purple. And then this Myra heels, just leave it like that. I do not change anything from this item. And this one, make it this color, and then you're going to make it glitter. And then this hat, you're going to apply this pink color and also this yellow color, and then you're going to make it glitter. Okay, just make it glitter for all the selection. Sorry, I forgot to make it glitter. And then this skirt, you're going to change toggle to, select toggle to, and then for the color, make it this color and make it glitter. And what else? This boot, make it light pink. Okay, and then this item, you're going to make it this color and make it glitter. And this one as well, make it this color and then make it glitter. And what else? I think it's done. I have already mentioned all the items. And then for the final result, you will create something like this, and you can use it for the Decora theme and dress to impress. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!